Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a glossy lip balm that is very pigmented, long-lasting, non-sticky, and feels very moisturizing on the lips. If you want to see how I make this formula, then keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by adding castor oil to the bowl. Next, I'm going to add the isostearyl alcohol to the bowl. And now, up next, I'm going to be adding, some black pigment. You can add the black pigment, you can add your pigments now, or you can add it at the end. I'm just adding it right now because it's easier to just add it right now than later, because afterwards it's gonna start getting hard, so it's easy to just add it right now. So I want to add I wanted to have some sparkle to it, so I'm going to add some gold pigment to it as well. Not enough. Okay, so after I've done that, now I'm just going to take the stick blender and just mix it up. I want to make sure we get all these pigments mixed in really good. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding our citrine wax, but before we can add that, we need to heat the oils up to at least 200 degrees. So I'm going to bring it over to the hot plate and heat it up. Okay, so I just brought the lip gloss over to the hot plate and I'm letting it warm up. So we want to get it to at least 200 degrees before we can start adding our citrine wax. So right now we are at 124. We're just going to wait for it to heat up to at least 200 degrees. Okay, so we are at 200 degrees now. We can start adding in our citrine wax. We're just gonna keep stirring this and make sure it is completely melted before you pour it in the lip balm tube. We don't want to have hard wax in the lip balm tube, so make sure it is all the way melted. So once this is finished melting, I will come back and then I'll start pouring it in my tube. Okay, so I am back. The lip gloss has been melted and I'm going to hurry up and pour it into my lip balm tube. Uh-oh, I overfilled it. So I'm just going to let this sit here for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit here and I'll let it sit here for 15 minutes and then I'll put it in the refrigerator for a few more minutes and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I am back. The lip balm has dried and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand. And this is what it looks like on my lips.